Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a payment method on PayPal. First thing I want you to do is log into your PayPal account, and once you're logged in you can come here and tap on add card or bank. Okay, these are payment methods, or you can tap here on wallet. It will still take you to the same section, so we'll tap here on wallet, and then here you can see we have our PayPal balance as our payment method. And if you haven't had that set up, you'll just tap on that, set it up, and we have our card. So you can just go ahead and add a bank or card. Just tap here on link a card, for example. Okay. If you want to add a bank, you just come here and click on this one. You can add your bank from here, but from the wallet section, I'll add my card. So link a card, and then just enter your card number, your expiration date, CVV code, and the billing address in your card. If it's a different billing address, tap here and add a new billing address, enter that, and then tap here on link card. And as you can see, we have linked our new card. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to App Mentor.